On the ninth day after the baby was born, this mischievous is celebrated with joy in the family of Caesar.
What a beautiful baby. Here is a cucumber for your, here's a fashion for your cucumber. You may wash off the little bit around you.
Julius Caesar shall he be named.
On this blessed day, shall we welcome the baby boy Julius to the Caesar's family? May he grow up with health and peace to become a strong man. And here is the blood.
At a young age, Julius Caesar was involved in the Roman military. He then began his career as a lawyer at the age of 22 because of his fluency in speech. He was eventually elected as consul, which was a point of time when his power started to grow. During his years of governing Rome, he made changes that are still used until present times. For example,
What day is today?
Today is the 14th day of July.
Are you still using the old calendar in Spain? Don't you know that?
Oh, really? We have a copy
Of
of it.
course, wait, let me search for it. For a new calendar, there are 12 months in a year and 30 days in a month. It's according to the constellation.
Oh, I see. It must be one of the changes done by the Caesar.
Yeah.
meanwhile, in Caesar's residence,
Welcome home, my great general. Another land conqueror. Have I ever told you that you never lose a war before?
Thanks for the welcome. How was the stay when I'm away?
Well, everything went good. The changes we requested in the law and enforcement were changed, and the people were happy with it.
They should be happy. Justice will be served with the changes. Roman should live a better life.
All thanks to you, my great general.
Julius Caesar's power increased day by day. His great power then, eventually, led to his death. Just as any other Romans, Brutus was cleaning himself in the bathhouse after a long day's work.
Sorry.
With this spit, I shall punish you.
Sorry.
He was enjoying his bath while singing his favorite song.
I'm gonna scream.
Suddenly, there were unwanted guests in his private cubicle. He felt insecure.
Reading Brutus.
Oh, what a pleasant surprise.
Pleasant in it. In fact, I'd like you to see us.
I got nothing to do with all your evil plans. Please leave here before I call the guards.
Why the hassle? Don't you think Julius has been too dominant? Don't you feel annoyed when he bosses around everything? Don't you feel like getting rid and doing what? His rhetoric imagine himself as a king. It has been 5 centuries since we allowed him to rule us. Think about it, Brutus.
Stop all your nonsense. He's my friend. Don't call my name. Don't call my name.
Only a fool like you would treat him as a friend. Think about it, Brutus. Let's discuss about the plan.
After another few times of brainwashing, Brutus fell into the trap by trusting the words of Cassius and Casca. He allied with them and planned the assassination thoroughly.
Agreed.
Back at home, Portia was preparing dinner for the family. She was troubled by the thought of being distrusted by Brutus.
Brutus has been weird these days. Never finished 5 bowls of his rice. What is he not telling me? Am I not trustworthy enough? What is he hiding from me? I'm home. Are you preparing for our dinner? Go away. What's wrong? Nothing. Don't like that, Stop lying to me. What are you hiding from me? Do you have a girl outside? No. Who is she? You tell me now. Why are you not telling me? Huh? Wait. Tell me now. What beautiful one. I shall kill Julius Caesar. Oh. Antonio was walking down the hall when he overheard Brutus and Cassius' conversation.
Julius Caesar will be attending the Senate meeting today. It's our only chance, but we have limited time.
I will inform the others about the assassination. We shall surround him in the hall. He shall not escape.
We shall not fail for the Romans.
Julius Caesar is in danger. I have to stop him.
I have to stop Anthony.
Cassius, what are you doing?
I have to stop him from ruining the
No, I
plan.
have to stop Julius. Julius!
Plotters, however, had anticipated this, fearing that Antonio will come to Caesar's aid. They assigned Casca or him from approaching Caesar by detaining him outside the theatre from Pompey. Meanwhile, the conspirators crowded around Caesar in the hall.
Move! That is violence.
I'm just trying to help.
Die to this!
What are you trying to do?
Help, brothers!
Within moments, the dictator was struck with multiple stabs. Blinded by his blood, he tripped and fell. Defenseless, he lay on the floor with 22 stabs. During the commotion, he saw a familiar face. Brutus. You are Brutus! Let's move, brother. Caesar's body was prepared for burial. His body was washed and scrubbed before putting into the finest clothes. All the crowns and tokens he earned is put together with his corpse. A golden coin was placed in his mouth to pay for the boat ride to the underworld. At the funeral, Julius Caesar, our mighty general, his ambition is getting us into a threat to us. He deserved death as he was planning Rome into monarchical system.
Nonsense! Julius Caesar never planned to get himself a throne. This is an act of jealousy. As a friend, I'm very disappointed with your actions.
Bullshit! This is nonsense!
He didn't risk his life against the battles for himself. He risked it for Rome. You are a murderer. He's a murderer.
Hey,
Hail Caesar! This conspirator must die. Dash people of Rome. They must die.
all this nonsense. With the agreement of the mob, the conspirators were given a death sentence. What is this? What are you trying to do? Use it.
Go in.
No, I'm a general. Brutus, Cassius, and Casca were left in a sack with a snake, a chicken, oh my God, and a dog. They were then thrown into the sea. Since then, they were never heard of. After the burial of the late Julius Caesar and the death of conspirators, Antonio allied with Lepidus and Octavian, forming the second triumvirate to jointly rule Caesar's reign.
We will share our power by dividing the territory. Any objections?
I agree, but with a condition. The rest will be under my control.
Certainly. And I'll take the east, and Lepidus Africa.
for Rome and peace. Rome.
Soon after Augustus Caesar was crowned as the first emperor of Roman history, the coronation was held. The coronation was held.
Hear our prayer, Lord, and those of your servants. Glorious servant, to whom honor and glory is yours through infinite ages of ages. Amen. Received by the staff, by the hands of Bishop, whose law and mercy are consecrated to be in the place and authority of Holy Apostle, deliver it to you. With our blessing, to serve for the defense of the Holy Church, divinely ordained. And remember whom the psalmist prophecy saying, "Grip the staff upon tight." The most powerful one, you may exercise it. You may exercise equity.
I, Augustus Caesar, I shall take my oath as Emperor of Rome. I shall protect my land and expand it. Rome will be the richest land with educated people. And I will protect my dignity of my land with my life. Rome and I shall be one.
And I announce you Emperor Augustus. You may kiss your throne.
The crowning of Augustus Caesar started a monarchical system in Rome. As promised, he improved life at Rome.
Anthony, get the finest craftsmen to fix the temple around. And also the public facility. We will have marble on the wall. And send order to repaint all the governmental and holy buildings white.
Within the years, 82 temples in Rome were fixed and religion was given attention once again. Besides, Augustus Caesar also kept his promise on the map of Rome.
Look at the map. There are so many land to conquer on this map. I should take them down one after another. Let's see. Britain shall take the lead. Anthony, prepare the troops. We shall leave in a month.
Years after years, Augustus Caesar expanded the Roman map from Britain to Spain and Turkey. Under Augustus Caesar's care, Rome entered Pax Romana, which was 200 years of peace. Augustus Caesar died at the age of 77. His empire was secured at peace. Soon after his death, a Roman Senate officially declared their departed emperor, like Julius Caesar, before him to be a god. Before his last breath, Augustus Caesar said to his followers, "I found Rome of clay, I leave it to you of marble."
Thank you.
Thank you.